Hello everyone, I'm Nina, and in this video I'll show you how to make your own blending tool in form of this blending stump that can be used when smudging graphite pencils. This can hugely improve your drawings, especially if you do realism like I do, and also it will save you a few bucks that you can spend on a new drawing set, for example. So let's get started! For this to work, you need tape, a sharp knife or a scalpel, and some soft paper. This is a short and super easy tutorial, but also super cool if you want a decent blending stump in your art drawer. First, you need to be sure you have the right paper. You find out by ripping it apart, and as you can see, the edge needs to be kind of fluffy like this. I'm using paper that I ripped out of my sketchbook. It definitely doesn't have to be high quality. There are two ways of rolling the paper, starting from the side or from the corner. I like the first option better, so take your paper and cut off the corner like this. I am doing this because it will make it easier to roll it tight with your thumbs, doing like this. You can skip cutting this corner if you feel confident you are able to roll like a whole side, but honestly I failed every time I tried to do that, so yeah, I really recommend you to cut this corner. Then you take the paper and roll it up tightly like I'm showing here. It's super important that it's very tight in the beginning. You can adjust the length and thickness as you like. Basically, it has to be about the size of a pencil at least. Rolling, 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 rolling. The next step is to put tape around the paper to hold it together. The trick is to keep it super tight so it doesn't fall apart while not adding the tape too close to the actual tip of the stump. At this stage, it should look like this and not like on the right. If it looks bad, you have to start all over again. Yes, I'm sorry. Probably one end of your blending stump is not going to be as tight as the other one, so you will have to cut it off too. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment section. I hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel to support me and my art. I post about my art almost every week. The final step is to cut your stump to make it sharp. Think of it as manually sharpening a pencil, and make sure not to cut yourself. If it's hard to cut the paper, it means you did a good job, or your knife is dull. Cut away from yourself like this, and please don't fool around with knives unless you are or have a grown-up nearby. There you have it! You just made your own blending stump, and can I tell you, this will really improve your drawings if you learn how to shade too. Luckily, I did a video on everything you need to know about shading. I'll put a link in the description and it will pop up right now, right here. When you can shade, you can really do some cool stuff. Check out my tutorials if you're up for a cool drawing challenge. Last thing is to test your new blending tool. Oh my god! I took a 2B pencil just to see how well my stump will blend. And I think it blends even better than the ones you can buy in the store. and basically you can make all sorts of blending stumps to fit your own needs. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon, guys. Bye!